Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching Windows Fax and Scan. This app is the control center for sending faxes. Once open, choose New Fax to start a session. Make sure your modem or online fax account is active because the app needs a transmission path. Prepare your document. Scan to PDF or attach an existing file and enter the recipient number including any dialing prefix. Do these steps now so you avoid interruptions once you press send. Now you'll compose the fax. You enter the recipient number in the To field and add a subject because some recipients scan cover pages first. This helps routing. Next, attach your file, S, by dragging PDFs into the message or choose Scan to capture multiple pages. Use automatic feeder if available. Adjust cover page text and priority settings if needed. Once attachments look right, use Preview to confirm layout and page order, so when you click Send, Windows Fax and Scan queues the job and attempts transmission. Watch the outbox for status updates. If it sends, a copy lands in Sent Items. Save or export that confirmation. If it fails, don't panic. Check the phone cable and modem power, confirm dialing prefixes and recipient tone/DTMF compatibility, or switch to your online fax provider as a backup. Make a note of any error codes so support can diagnose persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.